The Freestand track system stores in a convenient rolling duffel. Lightweight and portable, the Freestand track system permits for quick setup by a single caregiver. The unit has 2 support legs, which take seconds to set up. Each support leg features a secure locking system, providing peace of mind and secure stability. The lightweight folding main beam features a secure locking system as well. One caregiver can easily install the main beam to the 2 support legs and lock the beam onto the support legs in seconds. The Freestand track system allows the use of Prism Medical's P or C series lift motors. The unique feature of a ratcheting support leg marked with incremental elevations enables a single caregiver to easily move the main beam into numerous working heights in under a minute. Each end of the main beam features a parking spot for the trolley, preventing any movement of the trolley and lift motor while changing the working height. Each time the support leg is ratcheted upward, a locking collar prevents the possibility of the support leg moving. Once the ratcheting brings the main beam into a correct working height, the caregiver can easily attach a carry bar.